Hi, welcome back to another Monday Morning Mentoring. Have you ever experienced being reactive? Essentially, something happens and you immediately have a response to it that isn't ideal, that you'll say negative, right? It's not so great. Maybe you experienced that in recent holiday gathering and somebody triggered you and there was an instant response. Maybe at work, you just feel like you're on edge and there's the instant response of agitation, frustration, disappointment, whatever that reaction is. What if the reaction is actually a habit? So let me just take that back a step, because we want to say, well, wait a minute, it's not a habit that I'm reacting negatively, or is it? So this is something that I work on with my clients in getting to a place where they can lead stronger, longer, hence the title of my book, right? Leading stronger, longer means that you aren't constantly on this stimulus response roller coaster. A habit, again, is just something that you keep doing. It could be good or bad. And a lot of things that I see my clients doing that are harming them are really bad habits. Okay, so let's look at this week from the lens of, do I have some habits in how I'm responding to my life? What's in play here? Okay, I have a client that when I first made a phone call to her, was talking to her, I would hear screaming and I could hear her cussing out a vendor or an employee. I literally had to pull the phone away. Fast forward weeks later, before she was actually coming on board as a client, and I started to see the patterns in her behavior. It was a habit that was playing out. Her responses to anything that would come her way, instead of a challenge being something that could potentially make her stronger, which really, I believe this, as leaders, challenges are here to help us become stronger and to unfold into a better way, to help us really become more effective. And so if you take a look at that and understand that so much of your life is built around your habits, that's the first place we need to start. I wrote Lead Stronger, Longer, the transforming your personal and professional life through small, doable, bite-sized habits that you implement over a year period of time that can literally transform your life and your business. And this is one key nugget, is it comes down to your habits. I hope that helps. I'll see you next time.